Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to set personal reminders in Slack, your ultimate guide for 2025. This feature is your personal assistant, ensuring you never forget any important task. Let's start. First off, open your Slack and find the Slackbot channel. The reason we do this is because Slackbot is your go-to for setting reminders. It's your personal helper within the platform. Next up, in the message box, type /remind. Followed by your reminder. For instance, /remind me to attend the team meeting at 2 p.m. This helps us because Slack will interpret this command and set up a reminder for you. Now that we've done that, hit enter. Let me explain why this matters. Once you hit enter, Slack will confirm that your reminder has been set. It's a confirmation that you've successfully scheduled your reminder. If there seems to be an error, just recheck your command. The time should be in a format Slack can understand. Next, if you want to view your reminders, just type /remind list in the Slackbot channel. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Slack keeps a record of all your reminders, and this command helps you access them. It's a handy tool to keep track of all your pending tasks. In conclusion, setting personal reminders in Slack is as easy as having a conversation with Slackbot. It's there to make your life easier and ensure that you stay on top of your game. Till next time, happy slacking.